$4,000 a month for millions of American households. That is the take-home pay after taxes. The question is not whether that number is enough. The question is what a correctly built budget at that income level actually looks like, and why most people who earn it still feel like they are running out of money before the month ends. The first category is housing. Financial experts consistently recommend that housing stays at or below 30% of monthly take-home pay. On $4,000 a month, that puts the ceiling at $1,200. The national median rent in 2024 was $1,693, meaning anyone paying average rent on this income is already over budget before a single other expense is counted. A correctly built budget targets rent between $1,000 and $1,200. This may require a smaller unit, a roommate, or a lower cost area. Housing is the single most important number in the entire budget because every other category builds around it. For this breakdown, housing is set at $1,150 per month. The second category is transportation. On a $4,000 budget, transportation must stay at or below $400 per month. This covers a car payment, insurance, and gas combined. A household with no car payment has a major advantage. That $150 per month freed up equals $1,800 per year redirected towards savings or debt. Transportation is set at $400. The third category is food. The national average is at $847 per month, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. But on this budget, food is held to $400, $300 for groceries, and $100 for dining out. Americans currently spend 39 cents of every food dollar at restaurants or on delivery. On a $4,000 budget, that ratio has to flip. Meal planning, batch cooking, and a consistent grocery list are the three habits that make a $400 food budget sustainable month after month. The fourth category is utilities, internet, and phone. The national average runs well over $500 per month. On this budget, the target is $300. Switching to a prepaid phone plan can cut a phone bill from $140 down to $35 to $45 on the exact same network. A single audit of monthly bank statements typically reveals $50 to $100 in forgotten recurring charges that can be canceled immediately. The fifth category is healthcare. Copays, prescriptions, dental, and vision costs add up throughout the year. This budget allocates $175 per month for out-of-pocket healthcare expenses. Households with access to a health savings account should prioritize it. Contributions are pre-tax. Growth is tax-free. And withdrawals for medical expenses are also tax-free. The sixth category is savings. $200 per month transfers automatically into a high-yield savings account on payday before any discretionary spending occurs. Savings, treated as optional, get spent. Savings automated before spending actually accumulate. The seventh category is debt repayment. $200 per month goes toward accelerated payoff above minimum payments, targeting the highest interest rate first. A $5,000 credit card balance at 24% interest, paid at the minimum, only takes over 15 years to eliminate. Adding $200 above the minimum pays it off in under 2 years and saves thousands. Subscribe to Send Clarity for a new financial breakdown every week.